Avi. Bye, Avi. Today, we're walking down to the main. God, I can't talk and breathe at the same time. Hold on. It's Sunday here in Cusco, and we're gonna be making our way down to the Plaza de Armas. It's the main square. We'll attend mass, get some lunch, and then we're going on a city tour here of Cusco. Check out some of the Inca sites, those big stone walls. Should be fun. We'll take you along. Smells like donuts. Is it fruit or bread? Hola. ¿Es jugo?
Chicha.
Chicha?
Ferment.
Oh, huh?
Ferment.
Ferment? Need like a brim, like a big brim.
La verde, la celeste, ambas turquesa peruana. Turquesa.
Turquoise.
Turquoise.
Ese Machu Picchu.
It's marble almost.
Claro, Machu Picchu.
So serpentine is.
There, now you're a traveler. Where do you want? Thank you. Wow. Catch my breath again up those stairs.
¿Qué cuesta sacar total? Ya no puede, bueno.
This is the northern lamb. Ooh, comes right off. The chicharron. The onions. Oh. Put like one piece of corn just on top. Some of the salsa.
Oh, it's big.
It's a big bite, try it. That warms your little Filipino heart. The chicharrones. These chicharrones are good.
Okay, so this is Luis, your tour guide for this Inca city tour. So no, the Spanish city tour. The street we took, the first block, there was an Inca original street. It's thick, it's original. Now let's go in Coricancha. This way, please. The Inca city, but the lower side here called Urin Cusco. So the mountain, the upper city, Hanan Cusco. They were fighting with Aztecs. Aztecs and Incas had commercial ships by the Pacific Ocean. So at Mexico, Spanish found news about Incas.
That's a good picture.
After to buy a ticket.
What a view. You can buy alpaca.
See this. So So we're living maybe 90 years, 80 years, which is nothing compared to the universe, maybe millions. So they said we need longer time. Solution, reincarnations. We back. It's sterile. Perfect for surgeries.
What?
Catching my breath.
Good experience, eh?
It's beautiful here. We're here. Sexy woman.
Say
Sexy woman.
no, don't say it.
Look at some of the size of those stones. Huh.
Sacsayhuama means, we don't know its Inca original name. It says a big ramp, ropes, wood of a trees, of a pulling, bring it here, a big ramp to the top, and then putting down to their positions. But we have no evidence of ramp, trees, and ropes. If a rock is going to weigh over 40 tons, are going to demolish the wood of trees. At the corners, over 100 tons. The biggest 185 tons.
And to chisel it and then stack it, I don't know. Hold on. Look how massive. And no mortar. Everything's just cut exact and it falls down perfect.
This is crazy.
Yeah.
It looks like fake from far, but then it gets like real when you're like.
You gotta watch the Netflix. I don't know if it comes across on camera, but it's just, it doesn't make sense how big these stones are, how perfectly cut they are, and they're still standing. They don't even know, I mean, when the Spanish came here in the 1500s, this was already here. And I don't think they ever hashed it out with the Incas if it's actually the Incas made this, or if the Incas had stumbled upon this and started using it too, like if it was pre-Inca. I don't know.
Aliens.
Oh, stairs. Oh, you want your picture? All right, let's go up these stairs. Oh, that got me. Need like a minute. Sun's about to go down over that peak, but it's just enough time for us to get a nice, you could see the shadows where it snakes. More steps. We're gonna get up to that top. It's supposed to be a good 360 view. We made it to the top. Oh, we're out of breath. But look at this 360 view. Wow. I could see why you'd want to like build here. It's perfect views.
And these mountains in the view. It's
Yeah.
like an actual cabin.
Let's get a cabin for like 2 nights. You made it. Oh, I didn't know if I was ever going to catch my breath again when I got up from those stairs.
I'm excited.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I guess we'll find out then.
gardens. There's a garden and also what is springs over there. Okay, but we're putting names to the archaeological sites. For confusing, we put there Tamapachay, less famous book, of course it's net. Hence, we had to look for a new name for this place. Look like a fort, some rocks, kind of red. Inca Trail to Bolivia, Argentina, Chile.
Wow. Let's get a selfie. 3, 2, 1. One more. 3, 2, 1. So see where the tree line, and then it goes to that ridge, and then it goes over. They say that trail goes all the way
To Atlantic?
to Brazil, to the Atlantic coast of Brazil. That one,
To Argentina? Chile, Argentina?
Bolivia and Chile, and then that one to Machu Picchu.
Eucalyptus or muña. Both helps to breathe, helps for altitudes. Spray in your hands for smelling only.
I don't.
Wrap and smell it. ¿Eso qué es eucalipto?
Sí, eucalipto o muña.
Rub it.
Lo que quiera. You can ask muña or eucalipto.
I think they're getting that girl looked at. We had one of our people in our group become very ill, which would have been us a week ago. If we would have tried to do this like right away, we would not have made it.
Saca foto.
You can hear the water running down.
You want to try this? Again? You have a local.
See it. Take a picture. Wow.
That size of niches, 4 niches and 2 niches over there. The Incas usually put mummies if they make. There are many colors. You can see black or llama or mountains. They are everywhere, but especially in 2 places in Peru, called Pampa Galeras and Pampa Cañaguas. Over 4,000 meters, protected by Peruvian states.
Here we are in a community where the people, the families produce everything that you can see. All of this.
Okay, we got like these things. They go on the side, they cover your ears. It says Cusco. We got gloves. And it's 100% alpaca.
That's a dog.
That's a dog.